the wonderful week. Sunday is a day of rest for some people, a day to read a good book or spend quiet time with family. But for many others, Sunday is a busy day, full of work and chores. On Sunday mornings, many people go to church. They sing songs and listen to stories, their voices joining together in a joyful chorus. Monday morning arrives, and it's time to go back to school. After a fun weekend, we gather our books and bags, ready to learn new things. Some people say they don't like Mondays because it's the start of the work week, but we know that every day is a new adventure waiting to happen. Tuesday is a school day and a working day. It might seem like just another ordinary day, but even ordinary days can be filled with special moments. Wednesday is the middle of the work week. We're halfway through. On Wednesdays, we sometimes have a special treat, like an extra long story time. On Thursday, many of the stores and malls stay open late. It's a great time to run errands and maybe even get a special treat, like an ice cream cone. On Friday, you can feel the excitement in the air. The work week is nearly over. Some people say, "Thank goodness it's Friday," and look forward to the weekend. On Saturday, many people can sleep in late. It's a day for adventures and getting things done. You might see lots of people at the grocery store, stocking up for the week ahead. Most children look forward to Saturday so they can play with their friends. They run and laugh and make up wonderful games, their imaginations soaring high.